Hi, this video will teach you how to draw a staircase in Home. I will demonstrate by entering construction to make some modern and simple staircase. Here we can click add guides here, and then first we need to set the height for each step, which can be 150. So we draw the direction and then move it up forward and put 150 on the keyboard. Here you can see distance to the edge. Distance to the edge on the very bottom, and put 150. Okay. And then next we click this guideline we already created and move it on and put the same dimension, 150. Click enter. And then we can duplicate those guidelines one by one, following the same steps. Next, we will draw guidelines for the other direction, which is vertical, to set the starting point and edge. Okay, and then draw a rectangle. And here click push. You could also click P on your keyboard as a shortcut. So, and then push it out as 900. And then if we want to make it light bar as a step, we move it on a little bit, 150. So leave 2 centimeters for each step. Okay. And then yeah, we are now on top view, and then we have to select this item, and because now it's this is an item of different faces, so we need to group it first. Go back to 2D, double click it, and then go to this view, and then press Ctrl and G. Yes, so you can also group it here or ungroup it here, but the shortcut is Ctrl plus G as group and Ctrl plus Shift plus G as ungroup. So yeah, let's go back to 3D. Then we can just duplicate the same steps. And then next will be quite simple, that following the same procedure and duplicate those steps so that the steps will be created. Also, if you have some the railings or some design on this side, because there can be very various design here, so you can also group them or add on a surface here later on. You can design the railings in different ways. So that is about the basic rules on how to build a staircase with construction tool. And the feature for guidelines plays an important role here. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you and see you next time.